Hey everybody, it's Blaine Weicker here with the Brown Home Group at Keller Williams. Today I'm at 949 Lake Lane here in Longwood, Florida, 32750. I'm going to be hosting an open house here today from 3 to 6 with my partner Bryce. I'm going to go ahead and give you a quick little tour of it, but just in case you can't make it, go ahead and give me a call at 386-479-0456 to schedule a private showing. Again, this address is 949 Lake Lane here in Longwood, Florida, 32750. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. And so you are taking a look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. Got your bedrooms over here, and then your kitchen. A little bit over 1,700 square feet. Again, this address is 949 Lake Lane here in Longwood, Florida. So here's your kitchen. A little bit of an open concept, looks over your dining room and family room. And there's my partner Bryce there. Bryce, tell us a little bit more about the back of the house.
Yes, definitely. So something that's very charming is the word whenever I walk into this home. You see the wood flooring with the wood-burning fireplace right here. A tall vaulted ceilings, but one thing I really want to show you guys is what's out here. Come on. Now this is where you can picture your family hanging out all day, isn't it? Just look at the lake. You have the outdoors. This is beautiful Longwood, 949 Lake Lane. And if you ever want a private showing, you can call me, Bryce Wilkerson, with the Brown Home Group at 407-399-2499. We're going to be out here from 3 to 6 today. So come on out and check it out.
All right, again, guys, my name is Blaine. We'll be here from 3 to 6. Again, that's 949 Lake Lane, Longwood, Florida, 32750. You can give either one of us a call for a private showing, or for immediate assistance, please call our office at the Brown Home Group. The number is 321-348-8720. Looking forward to seeing you guys out here. Have a great day.